Good morning, students. Today I am here with Everyday Things Part 2. But before that, let's have a quick recall of Part 1. Now, who is the poet? The poet of this poem is Jane Eyre. In this poem, the poet underpins the importance of ordinary things for rich and poor. He explained that even if as and that everyday things is as important for millennials president or kings as it is important for an ordinary man. So what are these things? These things are he is talking about foods, milk, chocolate, water, soap, comb, houses, clothes. He talks us that these things are important for each and every one. Now let's start the next line. So what is our next line? If you wish to make a reminding note, you would take a pencil out of your coat and you could sign a letter, I think, with anything better than pen or ink. Now here point wants to explain that if we want to write a note or if we want to write something, for that we need pen, we need pencil, we need ink. Now next line, if you wanted to read, you would sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. Now in these lines he explained that books or newspaper or magazine, it do not discriminate between poor or rich. If we want to get knowledge, we need books, or whether we are rich or poor, all can get knowledge by books only. Now what is the next line? And if it happened that you were ill, you would down some oil or chalk on a pill. Now children, underline the word chalk on a pill. What is the meaning of chalk on a pill? Chalk on a pill means shallow medicine. Now here question arises, what are the usually what are the what here question arises, what are we usually expected to take when we are ill? So what is the answer? When we are ill, we need medicine. Which type of medicine we need? It may be tablet, it may be capsule, or it may be cod liver oil. Now in next line, if you had a cold, I can only suppose you would use a handkerchief for your nose. And if any person suffering from cold, they need a handkerchief. Now come to the next line. When you wanted to rest your weary head like other folks, you would hop into bed. Now children, here underline the word weary. What is the meaning of wearing? Wearing means feeling of extreme tiredness. And the next word, underline the word folks. What is the meaning of folks? Folks means an ordinary people. And so what is the meaning of these line? In these line, point wants to explain if anyone tired, they need a bed to take rest, whether they are special or whether they are ordinary people. So every person need basic thing for their day-to-day life. So children, up to here poem is completed. I hope poem is clear to you. Now what is your homework? You have to complete all your reference to the contest in your English 2 notebook, and then you have to complete question number C. What is the question number C? The poet had used a number of common noun in the poem. Now what you have to do, you have to write down all the common noun in your notebook. And the D number question, identify the rhyming words in the poem. So in this poem, when you read this poem, you find so many rhyming words. So what you have to do, you have to note down all these rhyming words in your poem. Now children, poem is completed. Learn this poem try to complete all the question in your English 2 notebook. In my next video, we will start a new lesson. So here is your few homework question. Just have a look. What are we usually expect to take when we are ill? Give another name for a pill. And the last one, why do you think that the poet talks about the time when we are ill? So the poet talks about the time when we are ill, because when we are ill we need medicine, we need pill. So completed. Thank you.